Hello my friends and elders, how are you all? I hope all are you doing great. And today is the first class of Gitanjali series, and today we'll know about the first chapter of physics, that is the unit and measurement. Today we basically know about the units, and the next video we'll know about the dimensions. So what is the unit? There are the physical quantities. In the chapter of physical world we will know about a scientist named as Richard Feynman. A scientist named as Richard Feynman, who will be given a thing that is the whole nature is a big chessboard. Suppose it is a chessboard, and the whole nature will be, he will relate the nature with a chessboard, and all the soldiers, of chess are the physical things, or we can write as the so these soldiers, suppose there is a chessboard and these are the soldiers, okay, and the soldiers will be moved one step and he will be here. So there are two players. Suppose one is the Gupta ji, another is just Shukla ji. One is the Gupta ji, another is the Shukla ji. There are an observer. Suppose the name of the observer is Rahim. Rahim will watch the full game. That's how the Gupta ji and Shukla ji will be plays. Rahim is a new player of chess and he will be watch and how they plays. He will be watch how they plays and the laws of the games. He will be try to understand. Rahim will be try to understand that how Shukla ji and Gupta ji will be playing means the laws of the games. So here Rahim has taken a phone okay, and he will be call his mother and tell all the rules of what he was watched. Here there is a Rahim and he will be connected with a call with his mother, and Rahim watch which will be seen by Rahim, that will be tell his mother. Okay, is it clear to all? Now here there are a soldier, that is our king, queen, everything means every soldier, suppose as king, queen, has a own law, means he will be moved. Suppose it is the elephant, he will be moved in straight lines. The queen, the king will be step any direction but one single way, and queen will be moved anywhere. Okay, so such as, so there have a lots of laws and phenomena, and there are lots of situations. Suppose there are a soldier and there are a elephant. So the elephant will be cut the soldier. There are lots of laws. So this one step going, the elephant will be cut, the soldier. This all things is known as phenomena. And the whole chessboard is our nature. The whole chessboard is our nature, and the Shukla ji and Gupta ji are the architect. It will be written as the God who will be making the nature. And the Rahim is the scientist. and Rahim's mother representing the whole world. Means there have some things. This is known as phenomena. Rahim will be watch the phenomena and make the laws. Make the laws. And he will be said to the world. So that is the whole process of physical world, and after reading the physical world will be know about the physical quantities. So which is a physical quantity? There are lots of physical quantities. Now we will be know about the physical quantities. Now we'll be know about the physical quantities. Means it helps us to make the formula as well as laws and also equation. It helps us to make the formula as well as the laws and the equations. Physical quantities means here we can know about the quantities which are measured by an instrument. Means here we can know about which the physical quantities, those quantities which will be measured by an instrument and it will be standard. This is known as the physical quantities. So how we can find and derive the physical quantities? So you can write physical quantities equals to the numerical value into the U. What is the U? U is the unit. Means unit is a standard term. Okay, means you will be taking a standard term and you will be measure according to this term of all things. Suppose I have a cylinder. Okay, I have a cylinder. Suppose it is a unit. Okay, now I will find the mass of a elephant. Suppose that is our elephant, and I'll find the elephant mass with using this cylindrical unit. Means how much bigger than this unit of this. Suppose it is a measurement unit. Okay, here I will given 1 cylinder, 2 cylinder, 2 cylinder, 200 cylinder. Okay, and so we can write as the PQ means the physical quantities. The numerical value of this is 200. In which basis? This is the unit. Means which unit I will use here? The cylinder. So we can write as physical quantities. Here I will take a physical quantity, that is the elephant, 200 cylinder. So you can find the mass of this is 200 cylinder. It will be measured to using this cylinder. Here I will make the standard cylinder. Okay. Now the cylinder will be modified and make the units. Now let's move on to the units. Now I'll move on to the units and the physical quantities. There are 3 types of units. Okay, one is the fundamental unit. One is the fundamental unit, second is the derived unit, and the third one is our supplementary unit. Okay, one is our fundamental unit and derived unit and supplementary unit. Today's lecture is based on the 3 units. Okay, so now we'll be read about the fundamental units. There are 7 fundamental units. Okay, there are 7 fundamental units. The first one is length, second one is mass, the third one is time, the fourth one is temperature, okay, the fifth one is electric current, the sixth one is the amount of substance, the seventh one is the luminous intensity. So first one is our length, second one is the mass, third one is the time, fourth one is the temperature, fifth one is the electric current, sixth one is the amount of substance, and seventh number one is our luminous intensity. Those terms I will know from class 9th. Okay, now we will find the units of them, and the unit of length is m, mass is kg, all those are in SI unit, and you can make the table of this, and that is a symbol. That is a symbol, that is a SI unit, and that is our physical quantities. Okay, time, second, temperature, Kelvin, electric current, we'll write as ampere, amount of substance, mole, luminous intensity, is our candela. So we can find the symbol of this is m, this is kg, this is second, and you can write cs, kelvins, k, and electric currents has ampere a, mole, and candela is cd. So that is the symbols of this 7 physical quantities. There is no physical quantities in physics. Those are 7 fundamental units we can write as the fundamental physical quantities. So please note it down, and now we'll be move on to the derived units. So introduction of derived unit, if I will say is that the 7 units, the fundamental units, and derived units will be made from the 7 fundamental units. So please note it, then I will describe about the derived units.